Hello everyone, welcome to World Branch. This is Lewis Cole. I'm the maker and creator of World Branch, and I bring another tool with you today, more so of a how-to, as how to become a safe sender of email. That is, as many people enter the world of internet advertising, they quickly get the idea that email is an awesome tool by which to contact people, and they're right. Though, as most of us know, there are very specific rules to sending out email, especially bulk email. And to send bulk unsolicited email to a list of people who didn't ask for it is a super no-no. That's one way to get your email address quickly blacklisted and rendered worthless. So I introduced this post to you today to explain how to become a safe sender of email. It may not be the way you expect it to be, but believe it or not, it is extremely effective when used correctly. So before we get started, I ask that you hit the like button on this video and hit the subscribe if you'd like to see more tools as we publish them out here on our video blog. And as you can see there on the screen, this is our homepage, worldbranch.com. Please stop by there, check it out, sign up for our free tools, our free business tools, and share it out if you know anyone that's looking to do some internet advertising of their own. So what is a safe list? So I'm going to go ahead and take you to one of the more simple safe lists to which I'm a member. This is a normal safe list, normal login page and whatnot. But safe list is a network of people who have opted in and agreed to receive bulk email from other members of the network, usually in exchange for the ability to send email themselves to the same network. And usually members will earn credits by viewing other members' emails from the safe list, and you'll see other people's advertisements displayed on that safe list website. And like I said, all safe lists are pretty much differently, but they work generally the same, and that's part of what we're here talking about today. So now you may be thinking to yourself, why would I want to email a list like that? Wouldn't all members be there simply for their own purposes and never solicit my offer? Well, surprisingly, the answer is no. The thing to understand is that not everyone on SafeList networks are there with a plan, and many are still in the market for other tools and resources to build their business, or even just to find a business that works for them. Your message can still provide much value to many viewers. It looks like my computer's lagging a little bit, so we're going to get this thing back to the mailing form, and I'll show you exactly how that works. So most safe lists will have a send mailing or send email ad section, and that's where you'll be able to fill out a simple form to get your email ad sent out to the network. Usually it'll look very similar to this, and there'll be a few macros that they'll allow to use. So what are macros? Macros are where you can plug in that specific recipient's first name, last name, or other variables that the safe list may add. They also allow you to put in your credit link, so the recipient knows exactly where to tap on that email to gain credit for reading your email. So this is basically how safe lists work. The only way to send legitimate bulk email is to ensure it's solicited. In other words, the recipient must have requested the email to be sent to them. When you join a safe list, you agree to receive email from other members. This agreement is advantageous because the safe list network awards its members with mailing credits for each email you view. As you view the emails the safe list sends you, you earn credits and send your own emails to other members of the safe list. So the key to using SafeList is to cast a wide net. So I have several of these that I use on a daily basis, and what I do is I cut and paste my message subject, message body. I use the first name macro just about every single time because it's proven that if you personalize an email, someone's more likely to open it up and view it. Then I spend credits. As you can see, you can only send to 1,702 people daily because that's how many members are ready to go. On this specific network, I have 34,982 credits in your account. Maybe soon I'll learn how to pronounce numbers correctly. Anyway, I can do this about once every 24 hours. I can go in here and I can send my email to 1,702 members of the Big Mailer Safe List, and usually about 3 to 5% of those will get open. That's a pretty good return. And then on about 0.5% I actually get a conversion, or I get someone to take an action, whether it is to sign up for my personal list or whatnot, whatever it is that I'm advertising. So you can use this to advertise your business or put out your business message to get people to take the actions that you want them to. So like I said, the key to using SafeList is to cast a wide net. Users who experience effective use of SafeList commonly use many of them, blasting their email message daily to tens of thousands of SafeList members, and that's what I do. I use several different SafeLists, and I get my message out there pretty broadly. The cool part about this tactic is that common members to many lists can see your message multiple times in a short period. And you may think that may be a bad thing, but it's actually proven that whenever your message is seen more, it's more likely that same user is going to take the same action. It takes someone seeing, on average, your message about 5 to 7 times before they actually take an action on it, if they're going to. So this tactic alone is proven to increase conversions. The key is to be persistent. You should have several SafeList memberships to which you email your email out daily. This is the only way to ensure a wide enough cast of your net, quote unquote, to achieve the results for which you're looking. So, like I said, the cool thing is that WorldBranch has made this easy for you. We offer all of our web traffic and other internet business resources for free. All you need to do is either sign up here on this post. I provided a link below in the comments, or you can just go to worldbranch.com and sign up for our list right there. Other than that, I appreciate you watching this video today. If you haven't yet, please tap the like button and hit the subscribe button so you can see as we post other videos of other tools to help you grow your business. Otherwise, have a great day. If you're signing up for us, I look forward to working with you.